Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a Canva design using the latest 2026 method. If you want to create a copy of your existing design without changing the original, Canva makes the process quick and easy. This is especially useful when you want to make edits, create different versions, or keep a backup of your work. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva home page, where all of your recent designs are displayed. Now, locate the design that you want to duplicate. Move your mouse over the design thumbnail, then click the *** three-dot menu in the top right corner of the design. A menu will appear with several options. From the list, click **, make a copy **, or duplicate **, depending on the version of Canva you're using. Canva will immediately create an exact copy of your design and save it to your account. The duplicated design will usually have the word copy added to its name, making it easy to identify. Open the copied design and make any changes you want. You can edit the text, replace images, change colors, add new elements, or customize the layout without affecting the original design. If you already have a design open in the Canva editor, you can also duplicate it by clicking ** file in the top menu and selecting Make a copy **. Canva will instantly create another editable version of your project. After finishing your edits, don't forget to rename the copied design so you can easily find it later. You can also organize it into folders if you use Canva to manage multiple projects. And that's it. That's how you can duplicate a Canva design using the latest 2026 method. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.